Hi people, so I'm back in the studio, the drum studio. I've not been for 2 months, yes people. Trying to get back into it, and I come to the studio and these fucking things are off. And I don't know, aren't they meant to have something that keeps them on? I don't know. So, and I've just told the studio and they said, oh well, you're meant to familiarise yourself with the kit. This was off, so I had to put this on. And could you imagine someone that is not used to it? They just say, oh well, whatever. It says, look at this, it says, scan for the guide and how to set up your reverse studio. Right. But I think the symbol's missing because there's 4 stands, 1, 2, and there's only 4 symbols. But obviously the hat, and I don't know, I've done this wrong, haven't I? But I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to undo this. And one of them says something on it. I don't know which one is which one is the bottom, which one's the top. Which is fucking annoying. You know what? I'm gonna get my own fucking drum kit. So 16 crash. It says 16 crash. And I've got a book. I actually do have a book. But yes, I'm really pissed off. Another thing that pisses me off about this drum kit is it's dead low. I'm like 5'9", and it's just low. And when I try to adjust these things to get them higher, yeah, you see these are really tight. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's like a man's strength. You know a man's been on it because he's adjusted it. Because I can't adjust it to raise it high. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I got this simple drum book. It's actually good. But the problem is, I can't adjust these things because these nuts are too tight for me as a woman. Do you know what I mean? So I can't raise it, so I feel like a little kid, like on a little seat. The drum kit is too low. This one, the floor drum, and the snare, they're too low for me. Do you know what I mean? So things like this, and like, what was it, £6 something an hour? I'm fed up. And it was a nightmare to get in, the stupid cold. So yeah, you know what? And I don't really have room for a drum in my 1-bedroom flat, but I think what I'll do is, like, I think some people said, like, get a 16 kit drum. Not 16, 18, like a jazz drum set. So I can just use the floor drum and the snare. Or use the snare and the bass drum. Do you know what I mean? And then 1 cymbal. Because I saw a black guy do that on YouTube. So I think that's what I'll do. When I buy my drum kit, I'm not going to set up the whole in my living room. I'm just going to set up, like, maybe 3 parts of the drum kit and then do it from there. Because I can't keep on doing this studio. The studio's nice, it's a nice studio, but some idiot removed all these fucking cymbals. I'm sure things are meant to go under cymbals, aren't they, to keep that cymbal. When you're smashing it, isn't there a lock to keep it from coming off? If going like that all the time, it's moving like that. Isn't there a fucking cymbal? And there's some type of lock. And I'm just looking at the pictures and it's stressing me out. And then, you know what, I only booked an hour. I did not want to be doing all this shit. You know what I mean? And they said they don't have anyone to assist me. So I'm actually quite pissed off now. I'm actually pissed off with this. Do you know what I mean? I'm wanting to look at pictures. But yeah, so this is me back in the studio. And I've learnt my lesson. Yeah, you see, there's a lock there. There's a lock on it. But where's the locks? They've removed the fucking locks. Do you know what I mean? Like, the fucking idiots removed the locks. You know what? I'm definitely going to have to find a new studio. This is an absolute joke. There's no locks for the cymbals. Like, they've removed it. They've fucking stolen it. Fucking idiots. Like, look at them looking around. Can I say, is that something there? Is that one of them? And this bit here. I bet this is something that locks it. Fucking twats. Do you know what I mean? Like, yeah, so I'm not happy about this. Anyway, see you later. You know what? Get your own drum kit, people. Get your own drum kit.